CBM ya Samuel Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so the edu so ne yakase de etoja wo mu bia wo betini nananom ne adehia wo twene ase safuase achuma kwangoma mansimu asantemantemu ene won mo se akodie bi ekurukura mabunu mu bi wo ho no ehadwen ti edi hu ni shiro abre won sansamiri sembi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTuber search Adom TV 2 na kwa adomonline.com semi ene sembebre ewo ho midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de nsem no nananom ne ade hye wo twene ase safuase atwema kwangoma mansimu asantemantemu se ne emabunu dodo no ekurukura kode ahodo nti edi hu ni shiro abrewo
Grunu enkan konde enkoyi enam nema bia nam etu ni sekan bia boys no ehwetwini nti ti ehakuro no mo na mo toto prot wa ina mo na beso mu jai prot no to no za ton the back de kan na sempani fo no omo na anyi nti no ma securities no ha omo mumra ha na bamba no enya imaye
ese amahu abaemu mata for melwafo osma abakra so nkodi ja wase chiam ne nkula tututu nti omonko ense kantwe esa ama hoho e ba han bebre dwanko esa makro no so ne de bia ye koyechi teje ese na nanum ne amambofo sa omomabo e ho ban
enuachi ena ohina owo safuase twini ase oni Adom kase ebo nkomo ena odi bi tudwa kire se
commander na waba no ene crime officer ene police fo ni nyina omo ye adwuma papa ko bibini ne ye frɛ omo a entempa na no madura na asem so hwehwemu omo ye omo nkoso no nya adwuma pa emfambo na twini ase kuru no ene sofa ase ene sehwini konkori ni nkura ewo empatemu a yete esunyaman na saso na sundwimra na kuru ni kire no enye fe na ye kan na sundwim nyina nse afutuo we nyina akọ na omo te saade omo ankasa do mani hu video yi bi ewo mfrem ne so omo antu omo fode a se bi ensuo ta kunkyereni a eje wo ye be ma omo hu se asanteman tumi ni asanteman moja na ye de kọ ko a se bi asanteman edifiti aman bebre a ye de kyekere se bi yewra na se tutu de kyekere na asanteman no sa moja no ebi wo mu an so moja ne bi wo mu ene asantefo mienu ne de abo ani ni akyere yetumi a ewo se asanteman se bi enim ko yenim dwane
Akuafo ya wono no ba ye ben bia bagredam fo bie nsu efa hono ne ne wo mo kasai ensu na ye ma Burkina fo nti ye ma ya wo mo biem na ebi akọ sebe ya wo mo sutade da mo no enseye no na aduru soso wo mo bia ene ye akuafo a wono no ba ye ben sa hono wo kasai.
Oh, I can say just 2 days. Yes, the other day we passed here and crossed this our farm line without even any water here. But as yesterday when we came, it started coming to a knee level, ankle level. But today we are almost at a waist level, crossing to the farmlands. So we believe that the water is already in. After the rainwater alone, normally it doesn't come long. When it comes more, then it goes down again. But this one is just
if the government could come to our aid to build as the Talcum purpose dam, as we were saying, I think it will help a lot because from here all, even to the northern region, is the battery dam will flood everything.
Ninyana yemono not mo adwuma yeku enso aba mane se ene juada osana abosume de to so aduonu wenum afempen aduonu wenum ne emono bagre dam no ya de sempanyfo bibia atomo na asuani bia besene akọ nenam so ema nkrata na director ema na adwuma adwuma yeku ne se hyaase e de kokobo ema omafo no mo se ebe ya wonu mo mfiri bia wonu mebo no enfo mani enkyere bebi fufuro.
West African Senior School Certificate Examination Centers ni bi na mpanimfo bo apro ekọ ne wi akire no ababeto edwa se vigilator ba ko apo ehye no ho e wo be makampa Adom TV etwaso.
One invigilator was in possession of a mobile phone, and the invigilators are not supposed to take mobile phones to the examination hall. So we have taken the matter up and we will deal with it. Actually, the mobile phone had a write-up of it had some of our questions for the previous exams they have written, like picture making, English orals. It had some of those questions on it and also answers to the questions on it. This invigilator will be reported to his employers, which is Genius, to take action on them.
Yantwaso na yemongra yensam foforo mu yakopru East Mansino mu obuno East Mountain mu aposifo ye wo ho achi nipa mienu ni nyina no efa tewia kwasi nya konkuani ye ne nipa bi atwa ne tie free so ewo kokomma community eben yeje no ene won achi won so mbebo mo manhwehwemu enkoso
acho obi numu obi a o ka ho a won hwehwe nipa kro no na won kire yese nipa we wo ka ho na ya nya wo mo aka de ya che wo mo no de da ase
nipa cho mi wo fa ne yakunu na me sra ban so fa ne 94 se se ya nya mu mienu na omo aka no na omba ye bi omba yi omama yen so no mo nya na aban ne omundi emra ne omundi ni da Ghana Police Service Force omayade omayadwuma kese pa
won mu anwesiye Adom kase NITA wia kwasinya akon ne ba enso di nkomo a odi nkyeremu se yeto yeni
afo omaba so ma betwanduan papa kwa ko ama ne ma di nkombo kama omo twanduan kura odi oyigu omo so ada omo twanduan na tenten no omo twanduan na nyina atofo na papa ka che me se yenko na yenko to ya adwuma so yenko na yakoto ya adwuma so ya wi na fe de papa se me fa ba yele nsiso o se ko no ma ba wa ko no ma ba na me ba nsiso akaba na me na di no see me hwe na bo ntwe no onti ngrofo na o ma twitwa ndwe na we nti okọ twitwa nja no o da ko blekinte no akoto afi ya wi na klan da di me na me fa no ma da na papa ko wako no mati manina aiso onyirojo ana ma hwe na bo no kakra ana ma fa motoki no ma paki ye no ma nyina ana fe de ma ko papa nche senka o hola me fa ni nko fie akwa hwere ma tiatia ma fere sa oni o ma tiatia ma chinchin sa ma hwe dua ma tane me nsa ma hwe ni nyina
Yantoso na yenuanu ma sabi wono adi edem eye amputees no nei abeto dwasa shaman Latter Day Saint Church asoro wo mo nkwai na yemma wo mo artificial ibi na atimi aboa mo akone abadie mo ayeye.
Reason why we're here is because a lot of patients cannot afford to a new limb prosthetics. In Ghana cedis, it take like 5,000 to 7,000 Ghana cedis to get a free limb, a suffocated limb. So, and a lot of patients, they are underserved and they can't really afford it. That's the reason why we come up with this event, to give them a free limb. So I will advise people that suffer amputation or paralysis for caliper, I would advise them to come and get a free limb.
The prosthetics being given out is for free because patients can't afford the cost of acquiring one. It's between 55,000 Ghana cedis and 7,000 Ghana cedis if you want to get fitted with a prosthetics limb in Ghana here. So the foundations, in collaboration with the physically challenged, societies in Ghana, came out of this project to help patients get their prosthetics.
You catch from say, a free, woman get 1,000. Capra will be and JB.
Director General National Information Technology Agency, Dr. Mark Oliver Kevo, nei one more power digital trust framework huntuma wombuta nyina ne sekro boy kwaso internet no wode behwe tu ase
ye botaye IC ani so ene se obetimi awo Ghana ha se na se ebia wo ye ankorankora wo ye adwuma emfa ne se ye kenten kora na onwen kenten na obi ewo South Africa onipa no ebenya gidie ese se otuaka ese fa sa kenten no ebre na ne nsa ebeka sa kenten no enu ti na hu behia ese timamufo ebenya gidie ɛwɔ abɛɛfo kwan a yɛfa so edi ɛtɔn nneɛma anaasɛ yɛdi didwa ɛno na obroni ɛfrɛ no digital trust.
Samuel Ofusuampofo ɔyɛ policy advisor on political affairs ɛwɔ ɔmampanyia bi de akyiri atenaeɛ a ɔgyina namu ɛkasaeɛ nso ɛde to dwa sɛ ɔman Ghana ɛsi nketipa sɛ sɛ ba na abɛɛfo kwan a yɛfa so edi edwa ɛbɛyɛ ɛkanifoɔ ɛwɔ ɛbibire mu ha sei.
I call on all stakeholders to our entrepreneurs continue to scale your solutions. To our private sector and investor, expand your presence and invest in Ghana's digital market. To our development partners and technology partners, collaborate and support ventures that will transform lives. Together, through shared innovation, sound policy, and steadfast partnership, we will make Ghana the undisputed digital trade hub of Africa.
Asya shesika samu samso ena wadwuma yefo bi wabo wono asensen ni nyina ye controller and accountant general enei wohwehwe mu ebeto odwa e kire se dream die ne ketase hye akoso e wosafo no entem.
They validate. They are in the district, they are in their offices, and they will determine that this number of people deserve to be paid. So if for one reason or the other, they don't validate you, then it's the same process, it's the same validators and institutions that have to go through the process to validate you for us to pay you. We cannot, as controller, pay you if the validators haven't validated you. So these are some of the challenges that
when they bring proof to you that it was wrongly done, and so you have to reinstate the person. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, there are some people who vacate posts and they deserve to be taken off. But those who, for one reason or the other, are generally taken off, the validators will tell you they have done the right thing, they have sent the documentation and everything to controller. Sometimes they even show you evidence that this is what they have done. And the beneficiaries come all the way from the various places to come and sit in controller and see, who do I know to help me do this, help me do that. So let's not just explain it away. There are genuine reasons and genuine concerns.
We've come across some allegations of payroll-related fraud issues that we have asked the investigation agencies to investigate. Fortunately, because these things are done on the system, it is even possible for us to see who activated somebody, who deactivated the person, and all that. There was one that went viral recently about someone who complained that I think a teacher also name was taken off the payroll. Somebody assisted him to get it on, and the person was demanding a lot of money from him. Because he did not pay, they went ahead and removed his name from the payroll.
Controller, it takes for
Menya no Adom TV Badwam kase no hana brema kwan ne de se yeda semre ne adaje twen bie mu ani emfa de won krata no ne Adom online stories ne to so mede afia amankwa tamaklo.